welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about a blend node in Substance Designer. It is important node because you can mix two input by blending mode and a mask. This node has three input, two input. You can use grayscale input and color input, and opacity. It is a grayscale input. You can use the mask, you can use the grunge, noise for your opacity. The first is copy. A foreground always on background, and you can control by opacity slider. The next is add linear dodge. These combine midtones that are neither bright nor dark. It multiplies the value of 0 and 1 together, and it become slightly dark. The next add sub. Basically, two values are combined. If the second value above half or above or below half added, okay? See? That's up. Max and mean. Two, max and mean. Max, it combined the bright value, okay, together, and the mean, it combined the dark value together. The next is switch, okay. Switch is similar copy, but there is a difference. Switch is optimal, more optimal than copy. Because when you use a copy, two input calculate together, but you can control this with switch. And it's good for complex graph. Divide. Bottom layer effect on a value of 0,1 on top layer or foreground. See, bottom layer effect on foreground, okay? The next is overlay. Overlay combine two blending mode, multiply and screen. A screen. Its mode work opposite of multiply, which make it that multiply make darker and a screen make brighter. And soft light. Create a subtle light or dark, and the result depends on brightnesses. All of this is blend. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment for me. See you next time.